This one is the Fleming's law demonstrator, students hands-on set. It has got a magnet, right? This magnet, you actually can take out this bar magnet from here. You can actually change the direction for the magnetic field. This one you can move up and down, right, for two different demonstrations. This is an aluminum rod, good conductor, and this is basically a swing for your kicking wire. Okay, so how do we start? We can maybe have this north is the red on top, then the south below. Let's place the positive here. There are two terminals there for you to connect, and then we place our aluminum rod here. My table is not very stable, it's not very even, so I'll just need to adjust a little bit. Okay, so once we connect the current through here, current will flow from here across the aluminum rod down here, and field will go from top to bottom according to Fleming's left hand rule. The field goes down current, then there will be a force going inwards. So let's touch 1, 2, 3. You see, we can also invert this one, this magnet. So now the field is going up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So the current, the force will flow the other way. So this is one demonstration. The other one will push this thing up, put the magnet here with the north facing down. You may need a sandpaper sometimes to, if you find that it cannot contact properly, use a sandpaper to rub this point. Okay. Here also a little bit. Place a swing here. So when we connect the current, when we close the circuit, the current will flow from here up, goes down from here to here, right, around this swing. So with a Fleming's left hand rule, field goes down, current move here. Sorry, this right hand. Field go down, current move here, so there'll be a force this way. So let's try 1, 2, 3. Can you see? Okay, maybe we'll do it from the side, it's easier to observe. 1, this is the swing. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? Let go. Press. Let go. If you want the current to be stronger, the movement to be bigger, you may need to use a stronger battery. So we can also reverse it here. Okay, when we connect, you'll move the other way. 1, 2, 3. Yes.